Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's Truckers Only video.
¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa?
Déjame decirte que lo que
saben que la gran lección de los país que nos han comprado nosotros, pero somos tan fuertes, entonces nos vemos polémicos, nos vemos en un sistema y no, y es un virus, así.
Yeah.
If we can try it out, we can like this place up maybe.
No, let's go. I saw it, Mom. What? Watch out! Jesus! You're gonna wet.
Playthrough. So sit back and enjoy. Grab your plate of food. I'm about to start rambling.
In 1,000 feet, turn left onto South Pulaski Road.
Side bad, downside, up, everything between. My niggas still Bro, what are you doing?
Harsh event detected.
Route today because of this COVID-19. That's my new thing. I have chores. And
What are your two chores? Not your fruit.
dumb mother. And to Roomba my bathroom.
Oh, I
Jesus Christ!
my money away, and now I have no money.
I don't either. You're not doing it. I'm doing the work.
Work, and can you please lend me some money?
No, I don't.
Let me invite you to come see me work this week.
Yeah. Rip's playing over at the same time.
No, mother.
One show a night, or whatever you can make it.
Got stickers on his door. Like he's got amber flashers in his back windshield and in his front windshield. Go! Idiot! Now what are you gonna do? Yeah, you're the idiot. Nicely played.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.